Hi, Ria. Hi, Olga. Nice to see you here. So basically, can you just tell me a bit more about your role and the company you are working for now? What are you building, basically?
So, Olga, I'm the product manager at Blinkin, and I am responsible for developing the multimodal AI applications that are designed to simplify and scale business problem solving in the real world. Our mission at Blinkin is AI should be available for anyone and everyone, and they shouldn't have to write a lot of lines of code to be able to create powerful AI workflows.
Great.
So basically, our platform allows to create AI agents, AI apps, without writing a single line of code in just minutes.
Wow, that's cool. Especially that AI agents is like such a hot topic nowadays, so it's cool. Yeah, and what would you say? What is a key challenge that you're facing now, and how Nebius helps you to solve it, if it does?
Again, when I say problem solving in the real world, it involves multi-agent solutions. It involves heavy workloads, which requires, processing of a lot of volume of data in terms of video chunking, processing audios. And Nebius provides us the infrastructure to be able to support these use cases live and, improve our efficiency. It also allowed us to save on our cloud spends, so we could effectively manage our, money.
Yeah, that's true. That's at least what we're trying to do, actually. And regarding future, like what are the key challenges you see ahead, or what are the key milestones maybe you see ahead? And is there any place for Nebius there?
We've started with augmenting users and then automation workflows. Our next milestone would be autonomizing business processes. All this again requires parallel processing of a lot of heavy duty, multi-solutions, and then being able to process agents together, tuning agents together, having very specified hyper-personalized models. And again, they're looking at Nebius to provide us the infrastructure support, being able to deploy these models, run these models through them. And be a part of our journey where we are trying to refine use cases for the web.